Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Molder Creation. It's me Sudhish. So today we are talking about websites where you'll get really good textures for your 3D work. So where you'll get a good texture for your 3D works, and so we are going through 5 main websites which you'll get really good textures. So first one we just came here, which is called Polygon. I'll keep all the website link below. So when you come to textures, there are so many textures which you have to pay some of them, otherwise free. You can go here free. You'll get a lot of free textures also. It's really good texture with a guarantee quality textures. So this is there are a lot of things actually. See, so all these things you can get. There are fabrics, little less, but you will get good quality things. If you want to buy things, you can buy here. So this is so like this you can see. So free texture. You can select the resolution if you want. You can select it and get it. So the quality will be really good here. So that is Polygon. Next one is Testshell.com. Testshell.com. They have a lot of varieties. Lot of collections. Here one thing is, after login you will get 15 free a day. So you log in one time, you'll get 15 free textures. Same like the Polygon. There are all the different types. This roughness and reflection, and you can give reflection map, bump, everything. It is separately here. So this all materials. I'll go here, some other textures. There are a lot of textures. This floor, tiles, and all this type of textures are there. And roads, wood. So please check it out. This is 3D Textures.com, one of the best website for free textures. So this is that, and next one is Texturehaven. Texturehaven, one of the others for website for textures. See, you can get really good textures here. There are a lot of things, and you can go through this world and metal. This is for roofings. It's more or less like rustic type textures. Get it here. It's wooden thing. So this is also one of the good software website to get good quality textures. Please check it out. I'll keep all the descriptions. So this is that flooring things. You can just download and keep. See, this is high quality maps. You can download here. This is size resolutions. A lot of things. A lot of good materials are there. So this is the Texturehaven. Please check it out. And there is one more which is called Assets Ambientcg. Ambientcg. This is the other website for textures. Please check it out. You will get a good quality textures. Here that metal sheet, you can get it. Here also giving the resolution. You can download whichever quality you want. So this is another website for textures. Please check it out and get it done, your work. There are a lot of categories, permits, there are a lot of things accordingly they made. So all this website go for, if they're asking for login, just log in with your ID and just get it done, and you can download all this. So that is Ambientcg.com for textures. Next one I'm telling about the Londonart. This is only exclusively for wallpapers. So when it comes, if you want interior some like good quality wallpaper, you can come and take it from here. So this is a website for that. So this called, you can just save and keep it with you. A lot of wallpapers, different styles and quality ones. You can check it out and download and keep. You can use it for your interior views. One of the best website for wallpaper. So that's all, guys. This is all this. This is Polygon, Ambientcg, Testshell.com, and Texturehaven, and Londonart. So all these websites I'll keep a note in my description. Please check it out and get your good quality textures. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.